Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz recipes. Today we're going to be making some breakfast sushi, traffic light fruit smoothie, fun shaped pancakes, classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich, a strawberry milkshake, peanut butter and banana sandwiches, Nutella fairy bread, banana and date shake, an egg sandwich, perfect hard-boiled eggs. We are going to be making some breakfast sushi. Now this sounds crazy, but it's delicious. All you're going to need is 1 cup of puffed rice, 1 banana, and 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. So the first thing to do is to peel your banana. We're now going to chop it up into bite-sized chunks. Spread the peanut butter on the outside of the banana. It might get a bit messy, but it's worth it in the end. Then, roll it in your Rice Krispies. Yum, huh? It looks exactly like sushi, but it's perfect for breakfast. No fish involved. Delicious! And there you have it, that quick and easy. We are going to be making a traffic light fruit smoothie. Looks amazing. So for the ingredients, for the green layer, you'll need 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 avocado, and 4 tablespoons of yogurt. For the orange layer, you'll need 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 banana, half a cup of orange juice, and 1 mango. For the red layer, you will need 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 banana, and 8 strawberries. So first of all, we're going to make the bottom layer, which is the green layer. Put all of your ingredients into the blender. And blend. Just because it's green doesn't mean it doesn't taste delicious. There we go. Now we're going to repeat it with the orange layer. Yummy! And finally, we're going to make the red layer. There we go. So to make the traffic light, you want to pour your green layer into the glass first. This is quite thick, so it will sit really nicely on the bottom. Then the orange layer will sit just on top of it. And finally, slowly pour on the red layer, and you will have the perfect traffic light smoothie. Like so. We are going to be making some fun shaped pancakes. So what you'll need for this is, of course, some pancake mix, some butter, chocolate drops, blueberries, and a Ziploc bag. So you want to spoon your pancake mix into your Ziploc bag. This can be a sandwich bag, anything like that. You just want to make sure that you can cut the edge off like so. This means that when you put the batter into the frying pan, it will come out in a controlled manner and you can make all sorts of different shapes, like so. Don't forget to put a bit of butter in the bottom of your frying pan so your pancakes don't stick. So here I'm making 2 little circles and 1 big circle, and you will see what they're going to become in a minute. So you want to cut one of your little circles in half and place them at the top behind the big circle like so. If you put the little circle in the middle and cut a blueberry in half, you will start to see a cute little pig coming to life. Add some chocolate drops for eyes and voila! We are going to be making the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So the clue is in the title. All you need for this recipe is some sliced bread, some jelly, some peanut butter, and some normal butter. So I'm actually going to be toasting mine to give it that little bit of extra crisp. So what you do is you butter both of your slices of bread. Now, this is the tricky bit. You've got to turn your bread over. This is not the side that is going on the inside. This is actually the side that is going to be fried. So spread peanut butter on one slice and then spread your jelly on the other slice. When that's all done, put them together, making sure not to tear your bread because you've got butter on the back. Then we're going to put that into a frying pan. You don't need any oil because you've got the butter on it. When that's lightly toasted, flip it over to toast the other side, and each side should be golden brown. Yummy! Cut it in half, and there you have the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich, toasted for deliciousness. Today we're going to be making a strawberry milkshake. So the ingredients you'll need are 2 tablespoons of sugar, a punnet of strawberries, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a pint of milk, and 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. So once you've chopped up your strawberries, you really just need to add all the ingredients into a blender and blend them all together. And there you have it, a really delicious strawberry milkshake. Yummy! We are going to be making peanut butter and banana sandwiches. So all you need for this is some sliced bread, a banana, some honey, some peanut butter, and some normal butter. So let's get started. First of all, you want to peel your banana. Then chop it up and put it into a bowl. Now we're going to mash it. If your banana is slightly ripe, it will be easier to mash and taste even better. Now it's mashed, add a good dollop of honey and mix it all together. So once you've done that, you want to butter both the pieces of bread. This is going to be the outside of your sandwich so that it will crisp up when you put it in the frying pan. Cover one slice with peanut butter. You can use crunchy or smooth. And then put your banana mixture on the other slice. Pop both slices together, and now it's ready to go in the frying pan. Now you don't need any oil when you're frying this because the butter is going to do that for you and it will make it go crispy brown. Flip it over and make sure you toast both sides evenly. Once both sides are golden brown, you're ready to cut it up and eat it. Yummy! There you have a peanut butter and banana toasted sandwich. Today we're going to be making Nutella fairy bread. It's so simple, even the little ones can do it themselves. So all you need for this is hundreds and thousands, some Nutella and some sliced bread. So this is a little bit of a twist on the traditional fairy bread. So instead of butter, we're using Nutella. Really simply, you've just got to spread the Nutella all over the bread. Make sure you get right into the corners. And then to top it off, you just sprinkle the hundreds and thousands all over the top. So it's lots of fun, very simple, and that's it. That's Nutella fairy bread. You can cut them up however you want and serve. Voila! Today we are going to be making a banana and date shake. This is a great treat for after school and really quick to make. So all you'll need is 2 chopped bananas, 4 dates without seeds, half a cup of milk and half a cup of orange juice. So all you need to do is pop all your ingredients into a blender and blend them all up. It is really that easy. And there you have it, a delicious banana and date shake. We are going to be making an egg sandwich. Now this is super yummy and also healthy. All you need is 2 slices of bread, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of oil, and a knob of butter. So the first thing we want to do is head to the hob with our oil and our egg. Pop your oil into a pan and then crack the egg. We want to fry it. Looking yummy already! You can get rid of any excess with a spoon, like I'm doing. Set that aside. Now we're going to butter our bread. Pop the egg in the middle. And voila! It's time to serve! Great for breakfast! Really quick and easy too. So there you have it. That's how you make an egg sandwich. We are going to be making perfect hard-boiled eggs. So, really simple, all you're going to need is 3 eggs. The first thing to do is to get your parents' help boiling some water on the hob. It should be simmering, not bubbling yet. Place the eggs inside. If you want a runny egg, leave the eggs in there for 3 minutes. If you want it to be hard-boiled all the way through, leave it for about 5. The next thing to do is to peel it. I do this by rolling my egg, like so. That means that the shell comes off in one piece. Well, almost one piece. And there you have it. Now it's time to eat. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz recipes, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.